Types of caves. There are 4 main types of caves: solution caves, lava tube caves, sea caves, and glacier caves. Solution caves are formed by water passing over certain types of rocks, such as limestone, marble, or gypsum. This is called percolation. The process of cave formation by water is generally a slow one. As the water moves over the rock, it will dissolve the rock little by little and create twists and turns, small passages, large passages, and even huge underground rooms. Solution caves are the most common type of cave. Lava tube caves. Lava tube caves are formed by lava flow from a volcano. This cave has a more tunneled or tube appearance and forms when the outer surface of the lava cools and hardens, while the interior continues to flow. Eventually, the interior lava will drain out, leaving an empty passage where the lava once was. Lava tube caves form when slow-flowing lava along the sides of a channel is so viscous or thick that it actually hardens and eventually forms a roof over the stream of flowing lava in the center of the channel. When the pressure inside the volcano is released and the lava stops flowing, it will pour out the end of the channel and leave behind a cave. Lava tube caves form on the flanks of shield volcanoes. Shield volcanoes are almost entirely made up of liquid lava flows. It's called a shield volcano because it looks like a warrior shield lying on the ground. Mauna Loa, a shield volcano on the Big Island of Hawaii, is the world's largest volcano. Sea caves are formed by waves of the ocean or even a large lake pounding up against a cliff on the shoreline. The sand and grit in the water acts like a knife that can cut through the stone walls of the shore cliff, and over a long period of time the cave entrance is formed. Sea caves form due to erosion, which is the wearing away of rock from water. They form in the cliff sides along the shores of large lakes and oceans due to wave action. The scientific name for a sea cave is littoral cave. They can be found in sedimentary, igneous, and metamorphic rock. Since igneous rock is harder, the littoral caves tend to be larger. Sea caves form when there is a weak spot in the rock, such as a fault. A fault is a crack in the rock. The wave action of the water wears the rock away in these weak spots. Erosion occurs along a coastlines, but when there is a fault, this process occurs quicker. Glacier caves. Glacier caves are formed by the movement of a glacier. A glacier is a very large solid body of ice that moves over land, shaping the terrain using enormous pressure. A glacier cave and an ice cave are not the same thing. Ice caves are typically solution or lava caves which have ice formations. Glacier caves are often formed by water running under the glacier, either from ice melt or because the glacier formed near the ocean. Unlike sea caves, which are formed by wave action and water beating against rock along a coastline, glacier caves usually form due to water running through or underneath them. Some glacier caves can form from geothermal heat from volcanic vents that lie underneath the ice. Once the water retreats, air moves in and continues the process. Air currents widen the cave through melting in the summer and sublimation in the winter. Sublimation is a process of a solid changing directly into a gas without becoming a liquid first. Since glaciers move and melt, glacial caves can be unstable. Glaciologists are scientists who study glaciers. These caves can give them access to the inside of the glacier. Geothermal heat means heat from the earth, and comes from volcanoes under the sea or land.